Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter video. Today I have a really pretty layered card for you. This is my Easter Blessings layered card. How beautiful is this design? You have that really intricate, really nice cross there in the middle. You have some butterflies around the cross, and then that Easter blessing sentiment there. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course I included an envelope as well. This layered card looks complicated, but it is very easy to put together. It does have some intricate cuts, so keep that in mind as we go forward. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For today's project, we're going to need our CRICUT cutting machine, our light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2025. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can find the individual cut file for purchase in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. There's also a link in the description box below. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, which gives you all 12 event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and bonus Easter cut files, there's a link for more information in the description box. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Now that we've converted the score lines for both pieces, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that we have everything all cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is layer the front cover panel. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together, but from back to front, You're going to start with the purple, dark green, the orangish yellow, the light green, and then the brown. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I put everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. We can set that to the side. Now we can take our card base, fold and burnish along the score line. Let's go ahead and open up that card base and attach the messaging panel to the inside of the card. Go ahead and close up the card base and we can attach the front cover panel. And there is our card. I'm going to set that to the side so that it can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take the inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Go ahead and flip the inlay panel over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and bring those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our Easter Blessings layered card is all set. What did you think of this card? Definitely a reason for the season. I don't know if people say that for Easter like they do for Christmas, but definitely more of a religious card. I try to do one religious card every single season just so that we have one for the more religious folks in our community. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Happy Crafty Easter video. Bye-bye.